You've written the dialogue, which is fantastic. Lyrics are fantastic as well. But the screenplay, first of all.
Yeah. It is a narrative which makes you go through the whole range of emotions. In 3 hours, you experience humor, you experience you experience a life of a human being. गागर में सागर जिसे कहते हैं.
The entire this thing will take over, that box office numbers and uske pressures kya hain, and the trade will react to it and all that stuff.
You cannot design a work towards a box office. And in fact, if that was possible and that was so simple, then the film business would be the safest business in the world, because now you have a formula. It's not like that.
I want something which I like. If I don't like reading it, if I don't like listening to this story, why would people like it?
Having a good story but telling it rightly is very important as well, and telling it entertainingly. Somewhere I think the best part for me as a viewer when I was watching it was that you always have this thing that what will happen next. The way you have just woven the screenplay as well, that the entire that जो घोड़े का एक जो sequence आता है, and वो आपने आखिर तक mystery उसकी बना के रखी है. तो as a viewer मतलब I had this thing that ये इसका क्या होता है, end में इसका क्या होगा. Somewhere that is a very very important glue factor. The screenplay and the narrative, which is not like linear at all, in fact. Something about that, and how did you just come down to that? You've written the dialogue, which is fantastic. Lyrics are fantastic as well, but the screenplay, first of all.
Yeah. See, Rakesh is here. Right from the beginning, I was very clear instinctively that we want to start the film from a certain point, because instinctively it was feeling very right that linearly telling the story will see. An artist has to do what you feel is right, and a lot of people feel that and there's a risk going back and forth in screenplay. But as far as you are holding the thread right, and it's holding right in your head, it goes right here. In this, the film starts an army, and it could have started as a young boy also. But which I felt instinctively is not probably correct, and Rakesh, you always agreed with me on that let's do what instinctively we feel right. So this the screenplay is definitely respecting the intelligence of the audience. It's not trying to say that A for apple kind of thing. And as far as the whole narrative is concerned, it is a narrative which makes you go through the whole range of emotions. In 3 hours, you experience humor, you experience you experience a life of a human being. गागर में सागर जिसे कहते हैं कि एक छोटे से कैप्सूल में you have to encapsulate his life. It is not an easy task. It is a human being's life is huge and humongous. It's like a sea. And उस ocean को आप अगर पकड़ना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं एक conviction चाहिए होता है. And that conviction, that interpretation of Milkha Singh's life, and I'm honored that I got an opportunity to do that.
When I personally watched the movie, for me it was that बहुत सी फिल्में हम लोग देखते हैं, because since we are in the profession, फिल्में होती हैं, but at the same time when you watch this movie, it is like it is an experience, it is an experience that one cherishes. मतलब मैंने 2-3 दिन हो चुके हैं, but it still keeps on coming back to me again and again. Though the images, they keep on coming back to me again and again. It is, I think it's a brilliant movie. It's a huge movie. But somewhere, as a creative person, do you at times feel that now the entire this thing will take over, that box office numbers and uske pressures kya hain, and how the trade will react to it and all that stuff? Because कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि the reality the way it is, जो आपने जिस मेहनत से आपने पिक्चर बनाई है, बहुत लेयर्स हैं इसके अंदर. म्यूज़िक में बेहतरीन म्यूज़िक आपने उसमें करा है, जिस तरीके से प्रसून ने लिरिक्स लिखे हैं, एवरीथिंग द वे इट्स बीन वोवन टुगेदर, इट मस्ट हैव टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. इतने में तो मतलब 10 फिल्में बन जाएं बॉलीवुड में, सीरियसली.
नहीं, absolutely, we all live in a real world, and we have to respect the payback to the market.
Right.
And when I say the payback to the market, don't confuse it with market expectations. That is कि आपकी फिल्म में जितनी भी लागत आई है, whatever has been your COP of the movie, and over and above that, you should be able to deliver a reasonable profit.
Okay.
And that makes it a good business sense also. In the name of art, we cannot just disguise our art. So it is a medium, and it is a mass medium. It is a modern day mass medium. It is a medium where you reach out to the people. So yes, your film should deliver a reasonable amount of profit. If it does well, that's a bonus. If it goes through the roof, that is a blockbuster. That's totally you. Everybody wishes and dreams about these things. But I'm saying yes, every film should make a good business sense about it. Having said that, the tail cannot wag the dog. You cannot design a work towards a box office. And in fact, if that was possible and that was so simple, then the film business would be the safest business in the world, because now you have a formula. It's not like that.
No, but it's not a film. We see many films, but this is not merely a film. It is.
I'll take that as a huge compliment. I just what you just said, that is not a film. That's a huge compliment. So when a film can rise above being what it is, anybody, even a human being, can rise above what they are, then it's amazing.
समथिंग अबाउट द एंटरटेनमेंट क्वेश्चन. एक बायोपिक बनाना जो है, उसमें सबसे बड़ा एक टेंशन ये होता है कि यार कहीं ना कहीं इट शुडंट बिकम अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री इन अ वे एज वेल. द एंटरटेनमेंट क्वेश्चन विच इज़ देयर इन द मूवी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ह्यूमर, विच इज़ लाइक बी इट the plane sequence when he's going to Australia, or there are many others, the entire doodh thing that happens, the ghee thing that happens, even जो दूध करते हुए भागते जाते हैं, the entire idea. How tough was the entire humor element to bring into it, the entire entertaining element जो गाने उसके अंदर हो रहे हैं, उसके अंदर आर्मी के अंदर जो लोग करते हैं.
See, one thing I was very clear right from the beginning about this is that I want something which I like. If I don't like reading it, if I don't like listening to this story, why would people like it? Yes, Milkha Singh Ji's life has been documented. There have been documentaries, there have been Doordarshan programs made on him. But this is, you are paying to get into a theatre. You have to reward people for that. You have to dramatize. You have to make sure you're connecting with people. And making them laugh is one way, and it will be very, I'm saying unfair to think that Milkha Singh Ji did not have any other personality, traits but running. That if you invited him for a party, he came from one door, took a kebab and ran away from the other door. So it is not that, he did not have any other dimensions in him. So when he hinted upon romance, we developed romance. When he hinted upon things in life, that I used to have friends, we developed humorous things around it. And I think out there we are entertainers. And I always feel we are entertainers. And Rakesh ji, I think, feels the same. That's why we connect. That we are entertaining people. And while entertaining people, we are saying certain things which we want to say. But if we are not entertaining in the first place, we have no right to waste people's time. And I think that is the reason our approach has been right from the beginning, is that it has to explore all aspects of a person's life, rather than making it a boring, educative documentary. So you will see that happening there, whether it's the song Havan Kund, or whether it's Vulu Vulu Wanda. You will find a lot of funny stuff happening in the film all through, which is very much in sync with the character of the man, which he probably wouldn't have exactly been, but we have taken a little bit of license here and there, and that's allowed because you are, at the end of the day, entertaining.